Hello guys, this is me Denis Lara and welcome to my art channel Denis Lara Art. Today we are going to draw or paint a very amazing thing and basically an artist work known as Starry Night. Artist for this artwork was Vincent Van Gogh. So let's begin with our artwork. Fun facts about Vincent Van Gogh. Until he died, he only sold 2 of his paintings. His 2 paintings were sold and he had made lots of paintings, but bad luck.
In Starry Night painting, its contoured form are the means of expression and they are used to convey emotions. Many feel that Vincent Van Gogh's turbulent quest to overcome his illness is reflected in the dimness of the night sky. Hello guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do so and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming video. Do like, comment and share it with your friends.
Hey there, did you know Vincent Van Gogh did not make this only Starry Night? He had made several attempts to make and capture the moment of the Starry Night. But who does that? Who does the same artwork for several times? I prefer not doing the same artwork. I get tired and sick doing the same thing continuously. Did you know the Vincent Van Gogh Starry Night was basically a depiction of the view which he was being able to see from his window of the asylum?
The village is painted with dark colors, but the brightly lit windows create a sense of comfort. The dark spires on the foreground of his painting are cypress trees, plants most often associated with cemeteries and death. This connection gives a special significance to this Van Gogh quote. Looking at the stars always makes me dream.
हो गया, अब इस नामकरण करना है।
feel the sound.